XRP Endgame. Why you need at least 100 XRP. XRP has a bright future, that's for sure. The value that it currently has is just the beginning. The price is being suppressed for a bunch of factors, but the second it gets released, it's gonna shoot up high. Banks and financial institutions already know what the future holds for this unique crypto token, and they are trying their best to get their hands on it. Even a small wallet of XRP is going to get the investors rich. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you. We are going to talk about the reasons why you should have at least a minimum of 100 XRP to get rich. Moreover, we will talk about the latest XRP price predictions. We also have XRP price analysis and more information surrounding Ripple at the end. So, if you're someone who likes to stay updated about the current cryptocurrency matters, you're in the right place. Make sure you watch the video until the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
The price of Ripple's XRP has been climbing this month, reflecting the gains of the other larger cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The investors are now drawn back to XRP and they have started dumping their bags to get the gains. At the same time, the current market conditions are getting in favor of XRP, making the coin to be the top preference for investors. Recently, a YouTube crypto expert has shown us even a small amount of XRP cryptocurrency has the potential to make its investors rich. The expert revealed the true core value of the coin and the potential it has for the future. He explained the daily wire value processing. According to Volante Technologies, approximately 1.4 trillion is processed per day. If we take this value for a month and multiply it by 30, it becomes 42 trillion a month, and when it comes to a year, the value gets to 504 trillion. This number just talks about Volante Technologies, while it does not include other huge factors for XRP. The expert continued by explaining that one Ripple net captures half or 0.5% of $504 trillion. Then the resulting market cap is 2.5 trillion, and if we take into consideration the 50% of that value, then the market cap goes to 252 trillion, breaking this further and what it's going to mean for the value of XRP when it's captured, then it comes to this. At 65 billion XRP in the market, 0.5% will be $38.7. At 5%, the value will be $387. And at 50%, the value is going to be $3,876 per XRP token. However, this is not just it. The current market situation is also being supported for the value of XRP. According to the charts, XRP is going to witness exactly what happened back in 2017. The value is going to get higher, but this time it is going to be way more than what it was then. It's gonna be massive. The start will be from just $10, and it is going to reach a high of $100 plus. So, if you are owning at least 100 XRP, you are going to get 100% more out of it. Recently, the quarterly XRP markets report was published by Ripple to voluntarily provide transparency and regular updates on the company's views and the state of the crypto market, including quarterly sales updates, relevant XRP-related announcements, and commentary on market development over the previous quarter. In the last quarter, the total XRP sales by Ripple net of purchases were 491.74 million versus 157.92 million USD. The previous quarter, Ripple continued to engage in sales to improve the ODL experience of certain customers, eliminating the need of pre-funding at exchanges and enabling instant global payments. So, many cryptocurrencies are spinning on a positive curve in the last lap of the season as the crypto community grows and embraces new technologies. To be honest, this was expected. It is indeed the altcoin season, and several of the cryptos are performing incredibly well as a result. The current market consensus is that Ripple is trending in a good direction. XRP price analysis from CoinCodex shows 27 indicators giving off bullish signals with just one bearish signal. However, the payment company behind the coin is under a lawsuit causing the coin to suffer too. According to recent advancements, the SEC has secured a major win in the case against Ripple Labs. Despite this, XRP still ranks as one of the top cryptos in the world. You guys are very well aware of the fact that Ripple has had a very rough start in the beginning of the year 2021, but the crypto and the team behind it are working tirelessly to resolve their legal issues and also to make XRP bounce back to what it was originally known as. With the latest bulls, we can only hope XRP makes it back to $3 just like in 2018 and even register an ATH soon. The main driving factor in the value of XRP is the continuous partnerships Ripple Labs is involved in. It has partnerships up with almost 400 banks and financial institutions. The features it offers makes it a source of attraction for the countries and the banks that are suffering from payment problems for a long time. The faster and secure cross-border payments and Ripple's on-demand liquidity is what's going to increase its demand in the market. Ripple saw significant growth in transaction of ODL, which leverages XRP to eliminate pre-funding, reduce operational costs, and unlock capital from a diverse cross-section of global customers for its best quarter on record. Legacy customers like SBI Remit, who were once using RippleNet for fiat-only payments, switched on ODL to laminate the need for pre-funded accounts. Customers have also adopted ODL for treasury payments as crypto liquidity has improved and the market has continued to mature. The product is primed to support the larger volumes of payments that are desirable for customers looking to manage their treasury operations. Transaction volume measured in the dollars over RippleNet has more than doubled since last year, and ODL transactions are up 130% quarter over quarter. In Q3, ODL transactions accounted for 25% of total volume. All XRP sales this quarter are attributed to the growth and adoption of ODL. Besides that, Ripple's involvement in the central bank digital currency, also known as the CBDC, is also going to be a major factor in increasing XRP's adoption. It is soon going to be a bridge currency for the CBDCs. It is also favoring the CBDC partnerships. Ripple announced a partnership in September with the Royal Monetary Authority of Bhutan to pilot a central bank digital currency or CBDC using Ripple's CBDC solution. This move is driven by the nation's desire to enhance digital and cross-border payments, expand financial institution efforts, and extend its commitment to sustainability as the only carbon-negative country in the world. Moving on, Ripple X announced a developer preview of federated sidechains in September, allowing developers to create their own sidechains while taking advantage of the public XRP ledger's features and functionality. Developers can use federated sidechains to add new features to the XRP ledger protocol, create new use cases such as smart contracts and DeFi capabilities, and deploy them in a production without having to wait for mainnet approval. These are all smaller things that are going to have a huge impact on XRP's value. Did you guys know that XRP has its involvement in IMF's SDR? It is a major part of the Climactic Accord. It offers the most use cases that no other cryptocurrency is offering, and when it comes to the investment, these cases attract the investors. That said, that's it for today's video. If you want to continue to know more about Shiba Inu, we have some more videos waiting for you back on our channel, so check it out. The data analysis given in this video does not comprise investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. This content in the video is for instructive purposes only and should not be considered as monetary guidance. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what's your take on the matter. Do you own any XRP or would you consider buying some? Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and we'll see you in the next video.